Not all summer dresses are created equally, and today I am sharing 7 with you guys that you can actually wear and you're gonna look stylish and cool all summer long. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. My name is Emily Love. I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger. And here on my channel, we do styling videos, try on hauls. We love to look good on this channel. And even though it's summer and it's hot, we still want to look good and we want to still stay nice and cool. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 7 dresses that you need this summer. You can wear it to wedding, baby showers, vacation, in your day-to-day life. Whatever event you have coming up, I have a dress for you. If you're not following me over on IG, definitely go ahead and follow me. I'm going to have my handle here somewhere on the screen for you guys to go ahead and follow me. I tend to share everything over there first. So check me out on IG. Now, if you're already following me, thank you so much for sticking around. I appreciate you guys. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. I have my phone here because I made a list of all of my dresses to make sure I come to you guys with the details and I don't miss anything. So the first dress I have on here is this blue bubble dress that I am wearing. I absolutely love this dress. I'm loving blue for the summer. The color is very light. It's soft. It's great for my girls who love neutrals but still want to wear a little bit of color. I love the drop waist detail. You guys know drop waist is trending heavily this season. So I love that. It does have a spaghetti strap. It's sleeveless. The back is out. It have elastic band, so it does stretches. I am looking at the photo here. I love the bubble detail at the bottom. You can wear it without a bra. This dress is great for vacation. It's great for wedding season. It's great for if you just want to wear it just to walk around and stroll. You definitely can't go wrong with this one. I'm wearing it in a size small. I'm going to have all of the detail in the description. So definitely go ahead and check this one out. It is a favorite of mine, and if you've been on this channel for a while, you know I don't really like to wear dresses that I can't wear a bra with, but this one has a lot of support at the top, so it works amazing. It is a gorgeous dress, and I think this blue looks great on everyone. All right, moving on because I tend to talk a lot, and I'm trying to keep it short and sweet. The next dress I have here is this gorgeous white tier outlet lace dress. I love this dress because it's so soft, it's feminine, it's flowy, it's a classic white dress. You can wear it to brunches, you can wear it to dinner. It's very elegant. I love that the sleeve ties, so it is adjustable. You can wear a bra underneath this if you need it, but you don't need to. I love the lacy details. You can wear this to like a courthouse wedding. If you're the one getting married, you can wear it to bridal shower. I love a good white dress, and this one is absolutely gorgeous. I love the ruffle detail. I love the scoop hem and the neckline. Um, if you love a good white dress like myself, definitely go ahead and check this one out. Since we're on the line of white dresses, I wanted to share this other white dress with you guys that I got from Spanx. An absolute favorite. If you don't want this in white, they do have it in full other colors that you can go ahead and check out. Now, I love this jersey scoop neck tank top midi dress because this is one of those pieces that you can easily wear just to run errands, but you can also dress it up and wear it for any occasion. I love a dress that is versatile that I can get a ton of wear out of. You can wear this dress to work, you can wear it to church, you can wear it to go out for dinner, you can wear it for brunch. And like I said before, you can wear it casually with flats, you can dress it up with heels. Absolutely love this one. It have a stretchy bodysuit material at the top, so we have a lot of stretch at the bottom, and it is fully cotton line on the bottom, so it flares out. It have pockets, which I absolutely love, and I have a code for Spanx. I'm gonna put on the screen. If it's still active, you can get 15% off your purchase if you're interested in grabbing something from Spanx. Moving on to another favorite dress of mine. Now, this one is perfect for my girls who have weddings coming up. If you have any garden party coming up, if you're going to a destination wedding or you're going on vacation, it is this tier tie floral dress. It's such a pretty color. It's such an elegant dress. You could dress it up with heels. You can wear it with flats. You can wear it to a beach wedding. It has elastic in the back. It has a tie. It has the cup that holds you up. and it's just such a pretty color. I have not seen this dress look bad on anyone. I had a couple of people come into my boutique and try this dress on. It is so pretty on them. It has a zipper in the back and it has elastic waist. I hope I'm looking at you guys. I'm looking at my plant back there. I don't know why. So if you see my eyes going up, that's because I'm looking at the plant. Forgive me. Absolutely love this dress. You can dress it up with gold heels. You can wear it with brown. You can wear it with pink. You can wear it with white. Definitely a great option if you have a lot of weddings and events coming up. And I feel like you could still wear this dress in the fall. So since we're on the line of floral dresses, I have this rose tier dress that it's another one that I absolutely love. I love the floral detail. I love the rose detail on there. I'm trying to pull up a picture of it so I can see. I love the layer detail. It's very feminine. It have a asymmetric hem, and I love how cute the sleeve are. It does have a adjustable strap, so you can go ahead and adjust it. It have a zipper in the bag. You can wear this with heels. You can wear it with flats. You can wear it almost anywhere. It's such a gorgeous dress. Definitely another favorite. And they have a tie detail in the bag. It fit pretty true to size, and I love that. You can show a little bit of back action. Again, another favorite for weddings, for brunches, for garden party, any summer events that you have coming up, this dress is perfect. It's also really good for baby shower as well. Now, this is not your typical summer dress because a lot of people don't like to wear black during the summer months, but this black linen dress is an absolute favorite of mine, and I tend to wear black in the summertime. I just make sure the fabric is really lightweight, it's breathable like linen or cotton, and this linen dress is perfect because you can wear this dress all throughout summer, and during the fall months, you can still wear it. I love the puff sleeve. I love a good puff sleeve. I love the off shoulder details. It have pockets. You can dress this up with heels. You can wear it to weddings. You can wear it to dinners, and you can also dress it down with flats. Again, a really versatile piece that you will get a lot of wear out of this summer. It does have a zipper in the back. I love the fit. It is fully lined, very high quality linen. Absolutely love this. I love how sexy it is because you show a little bit of shoulder, you show a little arm, a little puff details, and I love a dress with pockets. So definitely go ahead and check this one out. On the line of puff sleeve dress, I have another favorite here that I pick up from Ann Taylor. It is this puff sleeve midi dress. I absolutely love this dress because it's a great dress that you can wear to work for my working ladies. I love the color. It's screaming summer. It have that blue that I love, and then it have a little hints of yellow. I love the puff sleeve detail. I love the neckline. I love the length. You can wear this on vacation. You can wear this to go out to dinner. It's such a gorgeous dress. It have a hidden zipper in the back. It's lightweight. It's breathable. Definitely go ahead and check this out. I'm going to link quite a few dresses in the description that I'm loving for you guys. But these are my 7 favorite dresses that I'm currently wearing and loving. And I feel like all of them can be wear almost anywhere. If you enjoyed this video, definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know which one of the dress is your favorite and where you will wear it. All right, loves. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on IG and leave me feedbacks and recommendations in the comment for the next video you want to see. And I'll catch you guys later.